In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add alt text in Constant Contact. Alt text, or alternative text, plays a crucial role in making your emails more accessible and understandable for all your recipients. Whether it's ensuring that individuals using screen readers can grasp the content of your images or providing backup text when images fail to load, alt text is a simple yet vital addition to your email marketing strategy. Let's start by navigating through the email editor in Constant Contact. Once you've positioned yourself within the email you're working on, select the image you'd like to enhance with alt text. You'll notice as soon as you click on the image, a toolbar appears. Head over to where it says Replace. Clicking Replace doesn't just offer options to switch out the image for another. It also opens up opportunities to enrich your image with useful descriptions. Once the replacement panel is open, you'll find an option labeled Alt Text. Go ahead and click that. In this section, you're going to type out a description of the image. Remember, this isn't just any description, but one that conveys the essential information or function of the image. Think about what someone needs to know if they can't see the image. Is it a photo of a product? Be clear and specific about what it is and its relevance. This descriptive text is what screen readers will narrate aloud for users who are blind or visually impaired, helping them engage with your content just as fully as any sighted user would. Now, let's touch on the importance of alt text. Apart from accessibility, which is critically important, alt text is also your insurance against image loading issues. Sometimes, due to a variety of factors like internet connection or email client settings, images might not display immediately or at all. In such cases, your alt text will appear in place of the image, ensuring that your message still comes across clearly. Another benefit, although sometimes more applicable to websites, is SEO. Good alt text can indirectly improve your email's discoverability. By providing context and keywords, you subtly boost how engaging and accessible your content is. So, in summary, adding alt text in Constant Contact is a straightforward way to enhance the effectiveness and reach of your email campaigns. It takes just a few moments, but the impact can be significant. You'll both cater to inclusivity and fortify your communication against technical hiccups, all while maintaining a professional touch that reflects well on your brand. Try to make your alt text as vivid and accurate as possible to offer every viewer, regardless of how they access your email, the best experience. Thank you for watching, and I hope this step-by-step guide helps make your emails more accessible and effective.